Hi everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. So today we have brought some good job opportunities from Hetero for freshers. So these are freshers interviews, my dear friends. If you are a fresher and looking for a job opportunity, then don't wait to subscribe to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert, where you will receive job updates daily. So today let us see the job vacancies from Hetero, and you can also share our channel with your friends. So please watch the video till the end to know the complete details. So coming to the walk-in interview details, so here is a vacancy from Hetero for the qualification B.sc chemistry in production department, maintenance department, and so here you can see for BSc chemistry they are looking for production and ITA fitters for maintenance department, and this is a walk-in on 24th August. So coming to the interview venue, Hetero Drugs Limited, Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad, Telangana. So guys, if you are interested, you can attend the walk-in interview. Address is provided here. You can take a screenshot as I already mentioned the address.